Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we pit products against each other in an epic battle to help you make the best buying decisions. Today, we've got a heavyweight showdown between two smartphone titans, the Apple iPhone 12 Pro, aka iPhone 12 Pro, and the Samsung Galaxy S22, or, as we like to call it, Galaxy S22. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about price. The iPhone 12 Pro is coming in hot at $521. Reviewers have noted that while this is a premium price, you're paying for the brand, the logo, and the overall Apple experience. On the flip side, we've got the Galaxy S22 at a much friendlier $379. Reviewers appreciate the value for money here, highlighting that you can save a whopping $142 while still getting a high-quality device. Advantage: Galaxy S22. The iPhone 12 Pro sports a Super Retina XDR display. Reviewers love the vibrant colors and sharp resolution, perfect for those Instagram scrolling marathons. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S22 boasts a dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Reviewers rave about the smoothness and clarity, noting it's like having a mini IMAX theater in your pocket. And let's not forget HDR10 Plus and Corning Gorilla Glass, making the screen tougher than your grandma's cookies. Winner: Galaxy S22. Now, let's talk about cameras. The iPhone 12 Pro has a triple camera system that makes you feel like a pro photographer. Reviewers are impressed with the portrait mode, night mode, and that sweet 4K video recording. It's basically the James Bond of phone cameras. But hold on, the Galaxy S22 is flexing a 50 megapixels camera with LED flash and 1080p video. Reviewers appreciate its versatility and readiness for any scenario. Plus, you won't need to sell your kidney to replace it if you drop it. Winner: Galaxy S22. Battery life is crucial, especially if you're like me and spend 90% of your day on TikTok. The iPhone 12 Pro guarantees a minimum battery capacity of 80%. Reviewers note that while this is decent, you'll need a charger nearby. The Galaxy S22, with its newer tech, tends to last longer on a single charge. Reviewers highlight its fast charging feature, making it convenient to juice up while you grab a coffee. Winner: Galaxy S22. Summarizing the reviews, the iPhone 12 Pro is praised for its premium features, sleek design, and excellent camera quality, but it comes with a higher price tag and potential battery life concerns. On the other hand, the Galaxy S22 receives love for its affordability, advanced display, versatile camera, and longer battery life, although some users have noted minor cosmetic issues with refurbished models. So there you have it, folks. While the iPhone 12 Pro has its merits and that iconic Apple flair, the Galaxy S22 is clearly the smart choice for those who want more bang for their buck. It's cheaper, has a better display, a killer camera, and a longer-lasting battery. Looks like Samsung takes the crown this time. Remember, folks, always buy smart. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. See you next time, and happy shopping!